expression for the mechanical force per unit area. Okay, this is the figures. Consider a charge conductor, positively charged conductor. There are 2 points, point P and point Q. Point P is the outside the charge conductor and point Q is the inside the charge conductor. Okay, now the area, let the area be the ds. Area be the ds and the electric intensity at a point P. So, E is equal to sigma upon epsilon 0 k, equation first, where sigma means what? Surface charge density. Sigma is the surface charge density. Surface charge density. Okay, epsilon 0 means permittivity of vacuum. Permittivity of vacuum. Now, K means what? Dielectric constant. Dielectric constant. Electric intensity E. There are 2 parts, point P and point Q. Now, the electric intensity E at a point P is the same direction. So, that is the at a point P, E1 and E2 is the same direction. Okay, now the at a point P, that is the E1 plus E2 is equal to E, equation number first. Now the point Q, electric intensity is opposite direction. This is the opposite direction. Now the at a point Q, electric intensity is opposite direction. So E2 minus E1 is equal to 0. So the E1 is equal to E2. E1 is equal to E2. So put the value in equation second. So the E1 is nothing but E2. So that is E2 plus E2 is equal to E. That is the 2E2 is equal to E. So that is E2 is equal to E by 2. Put the value E. Put the value E in equation first. So the E2 is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 k. Okay. Now the area ds is the electric intensity. See this figure. Now electric experience of the perpendicular to the surface area force is given by. So the force is given by F is equal to, that is intensity due to charge remaining area of the conductor into charge of ds. See this figure. So F, that is the force, is given by E2 in bracket sigma ds. So E is equal to, E2's value, sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 k into sigma ds. Sigma get cancelled. Now the remaining what? Sigma square 2 epsilon 0 k into ds. But the mechanical force per unit area. So the mechanical force is denoted by small f. Small f is equal to what? Capital F into ds. Capital F, that is the sigma square upon 2 epsilon 0 k into ds whole divided by ds. So ds get cancelled. Now the remaining what? Small f is equal to what? Sigma square upon 2 epsilon 0 k. From equation third, F is equal to sigma square upon 2 epsilon 0 k. Okay, now equation third, 2 epsilon 0 k is constant, that is the F is directly proportional to the sigma square. That is from equation first, that is sigma is equal to E epsilon 0 k. That is mechanical force F is equal to E epsilon 0 k square divided by 2 epsilon 0 k. Okay, 2 epsilon 0 k. So E is equal to, now separate the square, E square epsilon 0 square and k square. So 2 epsilon 0 k. Modify this equation. F is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon 0 ke square, and this equation is known as the mechanical force per unit area, and this bit is completely 4 marks.